Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Open up the web browser. Then open Shopify here. Search CJ Dropshipping here in Shopify. So now you're in CJ account. It asks you to authorize email. Or you can add another account here. If you don't have an account, you can register here. Click to authorize your account. Then press Confirm. Click on Menu from the top left corner to see all the objectives in here. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.